Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Padel left versus right side roles. Understanding the distinct responsibilities of each position is key to improving your game. We'll explore how the left side often takes on a more offensive role, while the right side typically focuses on strategic defense and setting up plays. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which side might best suit your playing style and how to maximize your impact on the court. The player on the left side is often the primary attacker, frequently executing powerful smashes and volleys. If you are right-handed, playing on the left allows your forehand to cover the crucial middle of the court, making it easier to hit winning shots. This role requires excellent agility, a strong offensive game, and the ability to cover a significant portion of the court quickly. Conversely, the right side player is typically the strategist and defender. They are masters of consistency, often using precise lobs and defensive shots to keep the ball in play and create opportunities. A right-handed player on the right side will use their backhand more frequently, especially down the middle. This position demands patience, exceptional court awareness, and the ability to set up your partner for powerful finishes. Deciding which side is better for you depends on your individual strengths and preferences. If you have a powerful smash and prefer attacking, the left side might be ideal. If you excel at defense, strategy, and setting up points, the right side could be your calling. Remember, effective communication and seamless teamwork with your partner are paramount for success, no matter where you stand on the court.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.